Hi, my name is Sarah and I used to be unhappy with my body. I tried every diet and workout program out there, but nothing seemed to work. I was tired of feeling self-conscious and hiding behind baggy clothes. That's when my best friend introduced me to something that changed my life. She recommended a simple coffee habit that she swore by. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try. Every morning, I would wake up and brew a cup of this special coffee. And let me tell you, the results were amazing. I started to feel more energized and focused throughout the day, and slowly I started to see changes in my body. I didn't have to follow strict diets or spend hours at the gym. Just a simple coffee habit was enough to help me shed the extra weight and feel more confident in my own skin. And the best part? I didn't have to give up my love for coffee. I just had to switch to a better alternative. So if you're tired of trying fad diets and intense workouts, why not give this coffee habit a try? Trust me, it worked wonders for me, and it can work for you too. Cheers to a healthier and happier you.